Hey, it's wild to think that every piece of tech I touch today, my phone, my laptop, even this camera, has roots stretching back millions of years. So let's take a quick ride through the arc of innovation and see how technology shaped the world I live in. Picture this. 1.5 million years ago, my ancestors figured out how to control fire. That was more than just warmth or light. It was the first real hack, turning nature into something useful. Fast forward to 3500 BCE, and here comes the wheel, not just rolling carts but changing how I travel and trade, setting the foundation for everything from cars to conveyor belts. Even the ancient Egyptians building pyramids were pushing the limits of engineering and project planning, stuff I still rely on for modern skyscrapers and bridges. Now let's drop into the classical age. The Romans, with their aqueducts and sanitation systems, basically invented city living as I know it, making water, health, and hygiene accessible to millions. Meanwhile, inventors like Hero of Alexandria were building the world's first automatic doors. Yeah, way before supermarkets. The Islamic Golden Age kept this spark alive, making advances in algebra, optics, and mechanics, and handing that knowledge off to the Renaissance. Then things really started to snowball. Johannes Gutenberg's printing press in the 1400s meant books for everyone, not just the rich, fueling revolutions in ideas and literacy. By 1765, James Watt's steam engine kicked off the Industrial Revolution, powering trains, ships, factories, and making the modern city possible. Michael Faraday's electromagnetic discoveries and Samuel Morse's telegraph let me send messages across continents, basically the birth of instant communication. The 20th century, absolute rocket fuel for progress. The Wright brothers took flight, shrinking my world and making travel a normal part of life. The Manhattan Project changed geopolitics forever, ushering in the atomic age for better or worse. But the real unsung hero, the tiny transistor invented in 1947, that's what made radios, computers, and smartphones possible. By 1969, humans, just regular people like you and me, were walking on the moon, thanks to a massive leap in computing and engineering. Then came the digital revolution. Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak built the Apple I, bringing computers into my home. Tim Berners-Lee created the World Wide Web so I could connect to anyone, anywhere. Bill Gates helped put personal computers on every desk. And now, with smartphones, I literally have the world in my pocket. Today, tech is advancing faster than ever. AI is beating world champions in Go, CRISPR is editing genes, and quantum computers are on the horizon. It's not just about cool gadgets. Technology is transforming health, work, education, the environment, the way I connect with friends, and even how I think about politics and privacy. The arc of innovation isn't just a history lesson, it's ongoing. So here's my question. What do you think the next great leap in technology will be? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm genuinely curious.